I don't know how well you guys can see, but the reason why I'm not talking is because it's starting to dry and I don't want it to crack. It'll feel a little bit sticky and you'll feel like a tightness. It means it's working. Sorry, but my face is legit stuck like this. You can see it's like legit tight on my face. I'm trying to laugh, but it's not letting me. Alright, anyways. So now you can see that it's like dried on my face. That means it's working, and it'll be dry. Like, I don't know if you can hear that, but it'll be dry. And now I'm gonna wash it off. When you see me nail like Kaepernick, call a reverend. So I got $1 million in the stash for a wedding. If you ready, let me know, cause it's whatever. Alright, so make sure you guys wash off all the egg white because you don't want to be walking around with dried egg white on your face. I mean, the acne's not going to go away overnight. I will do this literally every day until it's gone. But you can already see like my pores are like non-existent, which is awesome. And my skin literally feels like everything was just like vacuumed out of it. So yeah, all you need to do is finish off with a moisturizer. And that is it for another Me Monday. I hope you all enjoyed this and liked this. If you try it, let me know how it worked out for you. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm trying to do Vlogmas, but if you know me, clearly it's day 3 of December and I am doing my first vlog for Vlogmas today. I'm gonna try my best to do as many videos as I possibly can. I'm gonna try really hard to do as many days up until December 25th because I do actually have a lot of good content and ideas that I want to share with you guys, not just about like Me Monday, helping yourself kind of things. There's a lot of other things that I want to share too. So anyways, hope everyone enjoyed that video and I will see you next time.